Alright guys, welcome to another video from Classic Games United, right? I am back. I've been like banned on YouTube for a week. I've been restricted because YouTube deleted 6 of my videos. I don't know what happened, but 6 of my tutorial videos was deleted and YouTube said it was harmful, but it was not harmful. But that will be for another time. In today's video, it was a long time request and I'm gonna do a tutorial on Elden Ring and I'm gonna show you how to play online, right, for free. Alright, so YouTube, do not take down this video. This video is for educational purposes. And guys, if you want to, don't forget to support the devs. And with that being said guys, let's get on with the tutorial. Alright guys, so as you all see, online is not working, right? Alright, so guys, let's get on with the online fix so you'll be able to play online, right? So I'll be back guys. Alright guys, right, so in order to play online you'll need the online fix, which is here, right? So all you have to do is just copy the online fix, open your game. Alright, open back where the online fix is, minimize and replace. Alright, so you will want to start the game with ERSC_launcher. Make a shortcut to that in the desktop. Rename it. Alright, and then let's put this right here, and then you will start the game again with this exe, right? So if you watch very carefully, and I'm gonna start the game now. Once I'm in the game guys, I'll be back, right? I don't want this tutorial to be too long. This should be short and simple, just showing you how to play online, right? And if you need a copy of the game, don't forget to join my Discord server and I'll give you all a free copy of the game, right? So let's get on with this tutorial guys. So as you all see guys, you can now play online. Alright, so if you see below, it's no longer saying offline, right? Now I will continue the game. I was playing the game already, so I will just continue, right? Because I don't want to start a new game, create a new character. That's just simple. So when you start the game guys, go to new game, create a character, and once you get to the first grace, you save your game by the first grace, then I'll show you how to do, right? So I'll be back in the game guys, right? Stay tuned. Alright guys, in the game, the FPS to me wouldn't be too good because I'm recording, right? So don't mind the FPS. This is this a tutorial to show you how to play online, right? I'm not gonna keep the game because I'm playing like Mafia Definitive Edition now. So once I get to the first grace, right, just touch grace. Alright, and then what you want to do is open up your inventory. Go to inventory, right, and you will look for let's know You have to look for a certain material. I don't know if you have it here. Yeah, you're looking for this. Click it, click use, and then you will click join will, right? But right now there is no co-op sessions here, so you will have to host the game, and then you will be able to join your friends. So once I get to the first site of grace, press Y, or wherever I am using controller, press the button in the keyboard, and you'll just go to inventory, right, and you will look for this, and you'll click on use, and you'll click on OK. So it's saying no sessions found because no one is online at this time, right? But this is how you will play online. Alright, I'm not too sure how you will host your own server, but you have to just go to here and you will find your friend online, right? Okay guys, you're back, right? So you could just, if you want to set your password, just go to here, go to Seamless Coop, and just open the settings, and you can set your password below here, right? So just set your password, only you and your friends could play, and I believe that's it. All right, so you could just check the settings here and set it to your liking, right? So that's it for this tutorial, guys, right? I hope that this was helpful. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join my Discord server. Alright, and I will help you with a copy of the game. Alright, so once more I'm gonna go back into the game, and I'm just gonna show you what to do one more time, right? Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, press inventory, go to inventory, and these are the items that you will need to play multiplayer, right? So you're looking for tiny cup. I believe that's the name of it. That's how you host your server. Alright. Alright, so look for, alright, so this is how you will host your game, right? Click on this, click on use. Alright, so now people could join your session, right? So once you click here, you will see multiplayer. Alright, so anyone that try to find your session, you could join. Alright, so as you see, multiplayer is here. Alright, so once your friends click on join now, they'll be able to join you once you have your password. Alright, if you're having trouble in joining Discord server, and I'll try to assist you. Alright, so there's another thing you could use too, is like you could use to join someone's world. So you could press this, go to inventory, Fine, golden. Join another world as a malicious wonder. Right. You could use this to join someone else's world, but right now we are hosting, so you wouldn't be able to join other worlds now. Alright. So if you need help, guys, just join the Discord server, but I'll show you all how to join someone's game. Like, just go to here and you will look for this to join someone else's world. Alright. But right now we are hosting, so you will just use that to join someone else's world. Alright. So that is how you play Elden Ring online with your friends in 2025. Alright. So if this tutorial helped you guys, as I said from before, don't forget to subscribe, and if you need any help, join the Discord server and I'll try to help you guys. Right. So this is the end of the tutorial. I wouldn't be keeping the game, guys. I don't have any space for the game. I just download the game just to do the tutorial for you guys, and don't forget to support the devil, guys. Okay, once I have the time and the space for this game, I will get it again. But this tutorial just to help people that want to play online with friends and stuff, and I hope that I help you guys. Right. So this is Classic Games United here signing out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video to come. So take care and bye, guys.